That is right, ladies and gentlemen. It is you, it is me, it is NBWD New Beginnings Window and Door, the Tri-State's premier window and door distributor. It is I, Dave C. the voice of New Beginnings, and it is Monday, and you know what that means. It is time to meet another wonderful member of the NB team, and we use the term wonderful loosely as this chair starts to slowly dip. Yes, we are meeting another member of our wonderful team, and this week on Meet the Team Monday, we have Jacob Haines. Jacob, thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me. Love to be here.
It is a pleasure to have you as I adjust this chair. Good Lord. Oh, no, we got it to rise a little bit there. Okay, so we're even now. I'm 6'1". I want it to show. So, Jacob, you know the drill by now. We're in like week 6 of this, so we're going to start with some basic questions. We're going to get to know you. We're going to get to meet you. We're going to meet you, greet you, and know all the neat stuff about you. So, first question we ask everyone, what do you do here at New Beginnings Window and Door?
I run a lot of hats at New Beginnings Window and Door. So I run the service department here. I also run a couple retail in the showroom as well, retail appointments and the retail division. But I'm mainly focusing on doing the new construction division with my dad and kind of taking that over and working with contractors and builders and architects mostly.
Now, you mentioned working with your dad, Michael Haines. What is it like working for your parents here at New Beginnings?
I enjoy it. It's not that bad. Most people think, you get off easy and it's easy to work for your parents, but it's not. They're more hard on you than anyone else at the company.
They rightfully should.
So it makes it difficult, but I like it because it makes me strive to be, better for the company and for me as well.
Now, we sort of answered this a little bit, but how did you get involved with New Beginnings and how long have you been a part of the team here?
Well, they opened New Beginnings back in 2008, so gosh, I've probably been working here since unloading trucks with my older brother Christopher since 2014.
Oh, we'll get to meet him, don't you worry.
Can't wait.
But did your parent, did you have a choice in the matter? Did you tell your parents, no, mom and dad, I want to go, what was your dream job as a kid?
Teacher.
Bruh.
I want to be a history teacher.
Oh, and that's why they dragged you in here. No offense, I got a family full of teachers. They're great people. But no, do they say no, you're not doing that. You're coming to unload trucks today?
No, my dad specifically actually did not want me to be in the business. He thought I was too smart to be a window and door salesman. He wanted me to do something else. So he always strongly urged me to not be in this business.
On behalf of the future of this country, I would like to thank your parents for not letting you be a teacher because it's very frightful for what you would have been teaching children. Windows or doors?
Windows.
Why windows?
I like the way because whether it's just doing one window or an entire house full of windows, they change the entire aspect of the home, going from white windows on a whole house to going to black and then matching it with the shutters and then the entire siding. It brings the whole house together.
It's the barbecue sauce on chicken, essentially.
That is true.
Speaking of food, if you had to eliminate one, knife, fork, or spoon, which would you eliminate? Forever.
Fork.
Why a fork?
I don't know. I feel like I can use a spoon and a knife for everything a fork needs.
My friend Tom's going to ask that specifically. He's going to want to know the answer. So we always ask that on my YouTube channel. So we're obviously here at our front desk here at New Beginnings, but what you can't see is right in front of us, technically behind the desk, under the curtain here, there are several drawers, and in one of those drawers is a little snack drawer that Jacob keeps fully stocked, more stocked than half the grocery stores you've ever been in. So Jacob, favorite workplace snack?
Ooh, I have to go with goldfish.
What kind of goldfish?
Just regular original goldfish.
Original goldfish, not like the flavor blasted.
No, because if I get flavor blasted, I get it in my hands, and I can't have that on my computer. It's just too much.
Then it just,
everywhere, and the nice.
There's orange dust all over the place. Can't have that on this beautiful tablecloth.
Yeah.
When you're not at New Beginnings, what do you like to do?
I like to work on my cars. I like cars a lot. And
how many cars?
I own 2 cars.
Own 2 cars.
I own 2 cars.
Does that mean you have more than 2 and you stole 2?
No, I've owned a lot of cars in my lifetime for only being 20. So
Did you wreck the cars?
No, I buy and sell them.
Okay. Don't worry. Our best driver in this company is Ray, and you can check out Ray's video from Meet the Team Monday in the link below. Racing cars. Anything else?
No, that's about it. Going on hikes.
Going on hikes.
I like the outdoors as well.
Oh, you like the outdoors?
Yeah.
Kim likes the outdoors. Maybe you guys can go on a hike together sometime. You can check out Kim's Meet the Team Monday interview as well. Checking out the playlist as well. If you weren't doing New Beginnings, what would you be doing for work?
We got into that earlier.
You
can't be a history teacher.
No. Dream car. What's your dream car?
2016 Porsche GT3 in Mexico blue.
Is that a station wagon like you currently drive?
It is not. It's a coupe.
Oh, it's a coupe.
A nice bright blue.
Coupe de Gracie. Okay, cool. Do you have any hidden talents?
I don't think I do. I mean, I can wiggle my ears like Ray, but like I don't really.
No. That's,
Don't
you
think
can't.
that's a hidden
No.
talent?
You can't copy somebody.
Well, I
else's.
can't copy it. I already have the talent.
I mean,
is it hidden at that point?
I mean,
then?
it's technically hidden from me because you're yet to prove you have this talent. But I hear you can cook. So if you could give our viewers at home or at work, wherever you're watching this on all the platforms that we offer, give the viewers a quick recipe of something they can make at their home.
The best thing that you will ever make is called barbecue chicken nachos. All right, so you get nice chicken, you grill it up over stovetop, maybe the grill, you layer with barbecue sauce. Then what you do is you get a nice pan, layer of Tostito chip, scoops, whatever you prefer. But I would just do regular triangle ones.
Restaurant style.
Yes,
Like
of
that.
course. Then you do the layer of chicken over top of it, lay it over with barbecue sauce, and then add any cheese of your choice on top of that. Put it in the oven, wait for the cheese to melt, take it out, and there you go.
Now, from what I've heard, it's a delicious dish. He said he was going to make it the other night, and he didn't follow through on that. But what you can follow through with is making sure that you like this video, that you subscribe to our channel here at New Beginnings, and that you can always come by anytime to the showroom. You can say hello to Jacob. He will be more than happy to set you up with some beautiful windows, which are, of course, the barbecue sauce on the food that is your exterior there. So anything else you want to plug? You have any social media you want people to follow you on?
I'm good.
Okay. Follow me at Dave C. The Voice, all over, But also make sure, like I said, subscribe to this page. Give us a like on Facebook, Instagram, New Beginnings Window and Door. Yeah, that's going to be it for Meet the Team Monday. Jacob, thank you so much for
Thank
coming
you for
out.
having
It
me.
has been a pleasure to have you. So on behalf of myself, Dave C. The Voice, Jacob Haines, and everyone here at New Beginnings Window and Door, we remind you to begin each day
With the beautiful view.
We will see you next time.